Today I'm attempting to upgrade my sound system on my little 1991 Civic hatchback. Follow me along. I get to do some troubleshooting, run into some problems, and come up with a solution and an upgrade. This is my stereo right now. The speakers sound like they're blown up. Follow me along. I'm gonna start working on getting it removed and putting in the new one. So I'm starting to remove the stereo. You gotta get these pieces out first. Mine was kind of damaged, this upper vent, so it came out really easy. Be careful with yours. There's 4 screws. There's one hidden behind the glove box, one at the bottom, one right here, another one at the bottom. Get those 4 screws out and you should be able to get your little bezel out. Whoever had this Civic before me either hated it or didn't care about it too much. The bolts were missing, but nonetheless it's out. Unclip your cigarette lighter and everything else is ready to get removed. Alright, the stereo is ready to come out. And the reason I'm removing this one, it's kind of an older unit. It doesn't have Bluetooth. Still requires an aux cable. Most of you know, most phones don't come with aux cables no more. So, reason I'm removing it. So I picked up this single DIN from Amazon for $26. I was just looking for something cheap that I can throw in there, just something to listen to music. I do plan on upgrading the sound system eventually, but for right now, just a cheapo stereo. If you're looking for one just to throw on your Civic, a single DIN, this will do the trick. It's Android, Bluetooth, has a cool display on it. You can put videos in there, and just a little good unit. $26 with taxes. The speakers on this thing sounded horrible. I know it was a 1990s car, but it previously had some other aftermarket speakers. So I thought those speakers were blown out. So I decided to buy another set, because thinking the previous ones were bad. And I ordered some from Amazon. They weren't too expensive. I think like 40 bucks for them. But I got some new speakers to go with it, and I wanted to show you guys an upgrade that I'm doing to it. So these older Civics only came with front speakers, and yeah, which is good for the 90s, but who doesn't want to be running around bumping their system? So what I did, I ended up putting some speakers on the rear. This is a kit that I found on eBay. If you want to look it up, check my YouTube shorts. I got a video for them. But yeah, I added some rear speakers, pods. These take a 5.5-inch speaker. So yeah, got some rear speakers for this thing. It's gonna sound pretty nice. So I came across these rear speaker pods for 88 to 91 Civic hatchback from Natone Tech. These are an amazing upgrade. If your Civic hatchback doesn't have speakers on the back, they're 3D printed. I got them on eBay. These rear speakers are from Natone Tech on eBay. If you're looking to upgrade your speakers for the back instead of buying the JDM ones, this is an easy kit. And like I said, I got a YouTube short that you can check out on how to install them. I do a full walkthrough on how to do it. So yeah. And just like any other older Honda, wires are just wrapped up with freaking tape. So I got some butt connectors. I'll make a decent harness in this. I'm gonna be using these little butt connectors. They're technically just sleeves. You put in both ends of the wire, you crimp it, and put some heat shrink over it. And yeah, simple Amazon find, like 12 bucks, 14 bucks. It comes with heat shrink. So after messing with the stereo for a while, I couldn't get the speakers to come on. That was a previous issue with the old stereo. The speakers sounded horrible. and I thought it was just blown out speakers. So I decided to swap them. I decided to put some different ones in the front, and it never fixed the issue. So I don't think the old speakers were bad. What I'm thinking is that somewhere in that harness along the freaking line to the speaker, the wire must be bad or broken or just something, especially because it's a 1990s car. So I'm kind of making something ghetto. I decided to run all brand new wiring, speaker wiring, from the speakers up to where the stereo is supposed to be at. Just because, like I said, there must be a break or something inside the speaker harness in the dash leading up to the stereo. So I figure if I'm gonna take out the dash, it's gonna be a headache. I just run new wire to the speakers, hardwire them to the stereo harness. I'm doing the same for the rear speakers. So here's a little picture of what I'm working with. So essentially these wires gonna go through the door into the speaker, hardwired to the stereo. If that's something that you decide to do and then you kind of want to do it, all I did was drop down my glove box. I use a little bit of wire to kind of just hook like that and feed it in here. Essentially in there's a little pocket where the original harness runs through. So I just poked it a little bit. I used a metal wire to kind of help me feed it, and once I got it on the other side, I just run it through there. I'm gonna run it through here, through this other plug, and hardwire into them. So I got one side done. I switched to the other one, and I decided to run it the same way through the door. As you guys can see, the cable is right there. So if you feed your cable through the door, there's a tiny gap like around this area. You just have to fill it. There's a little tiny hole that the cable is gonna protrude to, so that way you can get your other side of the speaker ready. I'm gonna run it through some places underneath the dash and get it on the other side. For the rear speakers, I ran the wires along the back of the seat belt. You can barely notice them. You see it's right there and right there. So pretty much I ran them along the line of the seat. My carpet was kind of messed up already, so I brought them along the seat. The carpet was already messed up, as you guys can see, so it was easy to remove. I gotta fix that. But yeah, ran them through there, ran them through right here in the middle of the carpet, pretty much through the handbrake and shifter. Ran them all along the inside. I gotta tuck this wire. So you can see it's tucked and out the shifter. So I got all of the wires ran for all of the speakers. Now I just gotta wire it up to the stereo and see how it sounds. So when I bought the stereo, I didn't measure anything. I thought it was just gonna fit. It seems that it doesn't fit. It seems that I might up have to trim a little bit of this upper part of the bezel. So if you don't want to cut out your bezel, I completely get it. I didn't account for the measurements, I guess, but I'm already in it and I want to put this stereo on, so I'm gonna trim a little bit out of this bezel and just get it done. So I got it a little bit trimmed up. I got pretty much this other lip on the back and a little bit more just because the Dremel kind of ran away from me. I kind of brought this corner down here a bit, and this other one But now if it's perfect, I'm gonna bolt up the piece back on and show you guys what it looks like. Oh, there it is, even after trimming, and it seems like the buttons are up here. You can still get to them. There's no problem. Bring down the options. Yeah, I like it. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it.